Okay guys, so today we are explaining two different types of ciphers. One, the keyword cipher, and the Caesar cipher. Okay. We'll just do that. Okay, so this, I don't know if it was Julius Caesar or not, I'm not quite sure. I will search that up. Ask questions in the comments. Okay, we're going to start with the keyword cipher. So, the keyword cipher is a cipher in which you grab a word. It's really complicated. But let's say our word is... So, the word cannot have double letters. No double letters. This is because... I'll explain that in a minute. No double letters in the keyword. So, our keyword will be dog. Okay. So now you're going to write the alphabet. Okay, so, sorry, my camera. So there's the alphabet. Now, under A, you're going to write D. B is O. C is G. Okay, dog. That's our keyword. Okay. So now, you're going to go in alphabetical order. Okay. So, now D is going to be A, B, C. We can't write D here, though, because we already used D. So, we're going to go E, F. We already used G, so H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and I recommend drawing lines. Oh wait, but we already used O, so we'll have to go P. So draw lines, and the thing about this is they will eventually meet, but that is okay. If they meet too soon, try picking a new keyword. So after you got it done, you're gonna figure out what you want to say to the person. So let's say we want to say apple to the person. Okay. So we're gonna start with D. We're gonna find P, which happens to be P. D, P, P. No. Okay. L is K. So K. And then E is B. So this equals apple. Okay. If there's one extra letter, like let's say there was, all of these were moved over and we saw Z, but we didn't have anything up here, you repeated a letter. If you're short a letter, so let's say this was, sorry, let's say this was Z, and you're short a letter, you forgot a letter. Okay. Have any questions on that one? Write K and then write your question. Okay. So now it's the Caesar cipher. This one is a little easier to solve. Okay, so with the Caesar cipher, it is a little easier to solve. So you are going to pick a number, prefer 1 through 25 would be best. So we're going to go with the number 14. Okay. It's easier to go with a lower number, like 6. So we'll just go with 6 instead. But any number 1 through 25, you can't do 26. Okay. And so what you're going to do is 6. So A would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A, and then B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. And then once you get to the end, you're gonna go back. So U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. So again, if you are short a letter, you missed a letter. If you are a long one letter, you doubled a letter. Okay, so this one's a little easier to solve because they use this back in World Wars and stuff. So basically, this is only easier to solve because if you look for the most common letters, like E, for example, E is one of the most common letters. You see that it's Y. So you see that Y is most commonly used. So what they would do is they would find out, okay, how long is it from Y to E? So they would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's 6. So they would move everything back 6 times to get the alphabet. So that's how they would decode it. But obviously if you're using this with someone, you would want to just tell them the number. That way they could know. So this one, it seems more complicated to do, but it's really not. If you have any questions, just do C and then write your question in the comments. If comments are on, if they're not, just like duet this video or something. But these are the ciphers. I'm so sorry, it's blurry. My camera is not working. Caesar cipher and keyword cipher. A lot of people say that the Caesar cipher was made by Julius Caesar. Not sure about that one, but people think it was. So now let's do the Caesar cipher. Let's say, again, you want to say apple to somebody. So no one knows why, but okay. U would be A. P, where's P? P would be J. So J, L is F. And then E is Y. So U, J, F, Y is apple with the Caesar cipher of 6. So that's how you do it. Kind of complicated, but then again, if you want to send a message to somebody and you don't want the government to read it, use one of these. Thank you. Goodbye.